Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Pet Shard and grow a garden cooking update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just got this Pet Shard from the rat connoisseur because I have submitted my mutated food to the rat and he gave me this Pet Shard as a reward. Wait, actually he offered me 3 rewards and I selected this Pet Shard. And then I'm going to show you guys how we can use this pet shard. So you can apply it to your active pet. You can choose the pet that you want to apply this pet shard to. And for example, I'm going to apply it to my dinosaur. Okay, wait, let me find the dinosaur here on my garden. Okay, it's here. Wait. And we just need to click on the pet guys, but wait, let me try to find it. Okay, this is my dinosaur and I'm going to tap on my dinosaur like this. Alright, and now the pet shard has been applied to my dinosaur. And let me check it. It will be mutated to aromatic. Okay, as you can see, this one. When you apply this pet shard to your pet will have ability to give aromatic mutation to your fruits or to your plants. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Pet Shard in Grow a Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.